Hi, my name is Asan Ahmed. Today we are going to discuss about Matic curiosity. So let's get started. Matic Polygon is a platform for minting ERC 721 or ERC 1155 based on non-fungible tokens. The overview of Matic is that it is established in 2017. Polygon, also known as Matic Network, is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. The company was founded by Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nekwal, and Anurag Anjun and Nilayo Belichick. The India-based platform is an open source project built by a worldwide decentralized team of contributors. The framework combines Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a multi-chain system. This multi-chain system is akin to other one like Polkadot, Cosmos, and Aventure etc. Alongside Ethereum's ecosystem. Platform of Matic core component is Polygon SDK, a modular framework that supports the development of multiple types of applications. Polygon is a platform that enables layer 2 L2 Ethereum scaling and blockchain-based infrastructure development. Its suite of product offers developers access to all major scaling and infrastructure solutions including L2 such as ZK rollup and optimistic rollups. Sidechain Hyderabad solutions, standalones and Sunprise exchange data availability solution and more. The static of Polygon solutions are as follows: adopted in over 7,000 hosted applications. Total transaction processed amount to over 1 billion. 2.6 million monthly active users. Approximately 130 million unique user address. The total amount of assets offer amount to 5 billion USD. Feature: Polygon network offers a variety of features. ETH compatibility, established tech stack, tools, languages, standards, and enterprise adoption. Scalability: decided blockchain scalable, consumes algorithm and custom Wasm execution environments. Security: modular security is a service SaaS facilitated either by Ethereum or by professional validators. Sovereignty: decided through output and resources, full customizable tech stack and sovereign governance. Interpretability: native support for arbitrary message passing such as tokens or context calls and bridges to external system. User experience: compatible to Web 2.0 gas price transaction and instant transaction finality. Developers experience: equivalent to Ethereum, no protocol level knowledge token, deposit fees or permission required. Modularity: customizably extensible and upgradable and community collaboration. Polygon Matic coin circulation: Matic coins are realized on a monthly basis. As of March 2022, Matic had a circulating supply of 48 million Matic tokens and a maximum supply of 1 billion Matic tokens. At its initial private sale in 2017, 3.8% of Matic net supplies was issued in the company's April 2019 launchpad scale. An optional 19% of total supply has been sold, with the price at 0.00263 per token. 5 million was generated. Polygon original release schedule planned to release all tokens by December 2022. The remaining Matic tokens are distributed as follows: 16% of total supply, 4% of total supply, or network operating tokens, 12% of total supply, foundation tokens, 21.86% of total supply, ecosystem token, 23.33% of total supply. Advantages and disadvantages of Matic. of Matic Polygon includes the following, like availability to process transaction quickly by using a consensus mechanism that completes the transaction confirmation process in a single block. Polygon can maintain fast transaction process speeds. Polygon average block processing time is 2.1 seconds. Transaction fees are continuously low. Polygon keeps its usage fees low, with a typical transaction fees around $0.01. Polygon disadvantages are as follows, like node and autonomous blockchain. Polygon is layer 2 solution that works atop the Ethereum platform. If the Ethereum platform experiences serious disruptions or cease to exist, then Polygon would likely lose its value. And limited use case for Matic, the Matic Coin is designed to govern and secure the Polygon platform and pay transaction fees. Unlike some digital cryptocurrencies, Matic is not generally used for everyday purchases. Like Polygon raised $450,000 from sequential capital India SoftBank. Other like Polygon Zero is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum based on Confi to a zero knowledge proof generation system. A Polygon Zero is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum powered by Confi to a recursive snap, which according to Polygon is the world's fastest zero knowledge proof ZKP system, capable of generating ZK proofs in 170 milliseconds on a commonly laptop. Plonky 2 supports recursive proof generation, allowing infrastructure to scale horizontally. As a result, the protocol throughout is not limited by weakest node on the network, but solely by the total compute available. Polygon Zero offers the following features. So that was about today's video. We will meet with the